Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to export your Keynote application presentation to a folder of images and then re-import that folder of images to the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote and Photos application, which are both built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for the application. Open up the Keynote application, wait for that to load. Now let's go to File, go to Open. That should take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this, now go to Open. Once that is opened up, let's go to File again. Now let's go to Export to Images. Click on All. Create an image for every stage of builds. Leave the format as JPEG. Click on Next. This will now take us to another prompt on screen where we can save as presentation to the desktop export. This will create a folder, as you can see on screen, presentation with these images. Let's change its icons, increase the size of the folder within the Finder window. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, open up the Photos application, and now go to File, go to Import, click on the presentation folder, highlight all the images within that folder, review for import, import all new photos. This should now be imported to your photos library, and there we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and there we go. Click on the photo, double click to increase the size of the slides, and there we go. We can now quit photos. We can quit the Find application. We can go back to Keynote and quit Keynote. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.